Hello everyone. Welcome to Channel Nitrix. Today we will be unboxing the highly anticipated MSI Claw A1M the handheld PC, an innovative portable gaming device that represents a new era in handheld gaming PC experiences. Powered by Intel Core Ultra processors and featuring Intel XeSS technology, ensuring a smooth gaming experience. The first impression of the device box seems ordinary. When we open the box, we find, as usual, the instruction booklet and all the specifications of the device, which come in English. Then there is the well-packed device below our 3-pack cards and the like, as well as another instruction booklet. The device comes with a huge 65-watt charger. There is also a charging cable with 3 ports like regular chargers. That's all inside the box. The device looks very simple. The MSI Handheld PC answered to Valve's ever-popular Steam Deck, sporting up to the powerful Intel Core Ultra 7 processor and a 53 watt-hour battery. And a 7-inch enabled IPS LCD display, 1080p and 120Hz touchscreen. According to MSI, the Claw has been designed to be both incredibly ergonomic and have enough power under the hood to provide decent gameplay time, even for high-end games. Its handles are curved, allowing the device to sit in the user's palms. The weight of the device is 675 grams. From the top, it comes with a power button, an entrance to add external memory, a USB Type-C output with audio jack, and volume down and volume up buttons. The battery allows for gameplay sessions of up to around 2 hours under maximum load. MSI has also built the MSI Center M software, which allows quick access to common settings. These include lighting controls for the RGB ring lights that surround the thumbsticks and illuminate the face buttons, and there's even macro key settings. Users can also select between gamepad mode and control mode. The former is used for most games, whereas the latter allows the Claw to be used more like a traditional PC. On that note, it comes with Windows 11 Home Edition pre-installed out of the box and can be used for even non-gaming tasks. The Intel Core Ultra 7 processor features 6 P-cores, 8 E-cores, 2 low-power E-cores, and Intel's first integrated NPU, which all allow the Claw to run efficiently under lower conditions and then kick up the power when needed. The market of gaming handhelds is getting one more competitor with the arrival of the MSI Claw. The hardware-focused brand is now launching its first gaming handheld. One interesting detail in this portable PC is that it is the first to come with an Intel chip. Now, MSI comes to show the alternative that comes from Intel. The MSI Claw runs on the Meteor Lake Intel Core Ultra chip. It is definitively a change for a market sticking with AMD solutions. The Meteor Lake Intel Core Ultra chip comes with up to the Core Ultra 7 155H, which features 6 P-cores, 8 E-cores, and 2 low-power E-cores with a max turbo clock of 4.8 GHz and 24 megabytes of total chance. Until now, MSI has not specified all the options that will be available. The Intel Core Ultra chip is paired with the new Intel Arc graphics. The 155H GPU is at 2.25 GHz and supports modern rendering features such as ray tracing and native XeSS support. The MSI Claw will also have 16 GB of LPDDR5 memory and M.2 NVMe PCIe Gen4x4 SSD of up to 1 TB capacity. There is also a micro SD card slot